Good morning, legends. How we doing? Hello, 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 hello. Sorry I took long. I was brushing my teeth. But yeah, I thought we'd start a little bit different today so I can track my calories. I'm gonna do my breakfast first and then we're gonna carve. How we doing? How we doing? Instead of doing my calories first and wasting time when I can do it on stream. Morning everybody. Morning YouTube. Morning Kick. Morning Twitch. Good to see everybody again. How we been? How we been? How we been? Can you hear me? Okay. Okay, let me check if the mic's working. Should be. Okay, the mic is working. Thank bloody goodness. Cheer Viper. Morning guys. Oh well, yeah. What I'm gonna start off with first is cooking my breakfast. So what I have every morning is 3 eggs, wholemeal bread, and either banana or an apple. And now unfortunately I don't have the last two, so I'm gonna have to compromise and have a pineapple. Okay, let me just get the rest, and these can watch me cook my breakfast. Yo brother Joe DRT, thank you very much for the 200 bitterinos, my bro. We will be live on TikTok very soon. Very soon, my brother, very soon. Okay, one moment guys. Alright, so, love the shirt, appreciate you, brother. So, what was I gonna say? I've already forgotten what I was gonna say. I'm still getting used to doing this on stream. Yeah, so I got my eggs here. Let's put the pan on. Jumped on the scale this morning. We are clocking in at 127.5. Yeah, 127.5. What? Yo, Etio, okay, thank you very much for the 3 months as Optimus Prime, our first sub of the day. Appreciate you, brother. One moment. Where are you from? Aotearoa, New Zealand. Now with me, chick, I do not like to how do I say this? I don't like closing up my pan where the yolk gets cooked too much. That's just me. Yo, thank you very much, Biceps. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime 2, my bro. How we doing, guys? How we doing? Hope everyone's doing good today. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be a bit of a double cook today. Gonna be doing this and probably cooking my lunch on stream today too. So I was thinking we do a cheat day tomorrow. What do you reckon? Cheat day tomorrow? Just ate 6 fried eggs and nice ribeye. Damn, that actually sounds good. Alright, I'm gonna leave this here. Let me put these back. Be tidy. Now guys, don't judge my cutting board, because it's only half. Eggs are a must have. Yeah, for me, yeah, definitely, bro. Okay, let's turn this down. No, they're ruined. I prefer to use a cake thingy, yeah, it's much easier. Oh. Man, I haven't used a pan like this in a while, for eggs. I'll just put this on to weigh it down, because it's a bit, thing. So here we go, pineapple. What happened to the other half? Oh, I was cutting a roast and yeah, I cut too much. So yeah, I can't be bothered buying a new cutting board because this still works perfectly fine. Yeah. Yeah, I cut too much and then you know I ended up cutting the board, so not my greatest achievement. I won't lie. Yeah, not my greatest achievement, but yeah, it still works. It still works. I was more the fact the earful I was gonna get from the wife. I was like, fuck, she's not gonna be happy, bro. Why do I get the image of you easily exploding an apple with one hand? I can do that, but we got no apples. Oh, not exploded, because I'll be annoyed because we wasted a good apple. Yeah, I'll be more annoyed at the fact that I wasted a good apple. Me personally. One moment. Ooh, you're lucky. I'm waiting for this fly to land so I can clap it. Just makes it easier to eat. Listen, I ain't 60 yet. And I ain't trying to eat an apple looking, a 60-year-old vibes mushed apple, okay? I'm just trying to roll it up so it fits on the bread. Okay, let me get our toast. Okay, so this is meal one of the day. So basically it's just wholemeal toast, 3 eggs, and I'm having pineapple today instead of an apple or banana. So that's the vibe check today. Now I was gonna cook again on stream today, but I forgot that I actually made lunch today last night. And I'll show you around lunchtime because it is sweet potato and lean mince. Okay, so that's on the menu today. Hold up. Awesome. Oh, that looks good. Yeah, it's just, bro, it's like simple as for me. Like with my calorie deficit that I done up, I wanted to make sure that it's cost sufficient too. Like it doesn't cost too much. Let me just get this out of the way, guys. So yeah, this is me and my half a cutting board that I accidentally cut in half. Also, chat, you'll see me gargling salt water today because my voice. So yeah, this is pretty much what I have meal one every day. Let me get all this stuff out of the way, and then we'll eat it. So for the last couple months, this has pretty much been breakfast, like minus the pineapple. It's mainly been 3 eggs, wholemeal toast. That's like the first meal of the day, and a banana or an apple. Well, today I'm having pineapple because I hate it when food goes to waste. My kids ended up not wanting it, so I was like, fuck, little bastards. So yeah, I'm eating it today, okay? I do good with my calorie deficit until midnight comes around, then I like fuck it all up. Bro, best thing to do, bro, just scull a shit ton of water. Or like usually if I'm feeling like that around, midnight, bro, I just go to sleep. My last thing that I can have during the day, then I'm allowed within my calorie intake. So I don't eat a lot of calories, because I've lowered it so I can lose a bit more around the old waist. So that's the reason why my intake is so low. So I went from like, fuck, how much was it? I think it was like 7 or 8. I think, I can't remember fully, but I've chopped it down to like 3. It was mainly just to get rid of the old muffitos, the muffitos around the old body. And it's going good too, it's going good. Okay, here we go. Okay. Karakia has been done. It is time to consume. Okay, so I'll try not to take too long. This pineapple's a bit cold. But yeah, cheers to everyone that's on a calorie deficit and is having breakfast. Ooh. Big hello from Scotland. Cheers, my bro. Yeah, we've cut it down to 3,000. Man, it's cold. But I've lost like... Jerry, but master, how are you? I've gone from 146 to 127 as of this morning. But I've been doing it for about 3 months. I think what's making me drop so much weight too is running. And I still go to the gym and do weights, but something that I've been enjoying more is like functional movements. But I was looking at the stuff you sent. You're looking, hey, cheer, my bro. Yeah. Compared to those PAX videos, But yeah, I kind of just wanted to. I kind of wanted to do it for myself, and be around a bit longer for the kids. Because you live a healthy life, you live longer, and yeah, it's been good. Like genuinely, it has been good. Morning TikTok. Easy to eat when you eat a lot of processed. Yeah, bro, it's crazy, eh? It's crazy you could have a whole tub of ice cream and you hit your macros. But obviously, I'm not doing that too much. I kind of just try and limit myself. That's a bit loud, eh? But so, it's 3 eggs. 3 eggs. Toast. Pineapple. Apple and banana. Second meal is 15 almonds. I ran out of almonds, so probably won't be having that second meal. Third meal is lunchtime, so that's chicken breast, mixed veggies, quinoa as well. And third meal of the day is an apple or carrot and hummus. And the fourth one, oh jeez, I can't remember. I'm probably not going to have chicken today. I might bump it up a bit and eat what I had for dinner last night, which was lean mince, and half a sweet potato. How you doing here, TikTok? Hope you're doing good. I've decided to start my morning streams a bit different by cooking my breakfast on stream. I have the most kind and investing eyes. I'm the Zoolander. I appreciate you, Lauren. I probably won't do this though. When Ramadan's on, because I feel like that's rude. I don't want to cook in front of people when they have Ramadan on. Not my religion, but still, it's about, I don't want to do that in front of people that are fasting. Can you give me the blue steel? Is there more than I've been absolutely cool? So I won't take too long, so we can start carving as well. What's your preferred protein, bro? One that I don't have to pay for, that's for sure. So I have like venison in my freezer, chicken as well. Yeah, I definitely we can learn. Nah. That'll feel more wrong for me. 17th of Feb to 19th of March. Oh, is that when Ramadan's on? Okay, yeah, I won't be doing this when that's on. So one other thing too that I wanna train for next year is to do a half a marathon. I want to do a half a marathon now that I'm getting lighter, and especially with how invested I am getting into running. Thank you very much, little Luna. Brother Joe Dierte, thank you for the Aroha, my bro. I'll try not to take too long, guys, so we can get into it. Yeah, I'm thinking every Friday we might have a cheat meal day. Yeah, so I wanna I want to train myself to do long distance running. Bro, 101 cats, my bro. Thank you very much, brother. Kia ora from Maui. Cheer. Hey, aloha kako. Sorry, it's morning. Aloha takahiaka. Cheer, my brother. My cousin. Last one. That was on. Have you been watching the Winter Olympics? Not really. I don't even know when it's on, eh? When is Winter Olympics on? Drink water, guys. And we're good. Okay. That's us, eh? I was watching oh jeepers. I saw a video of Destroying last night because he went to the Diamond Gym, and bro, Unk, the big guy, he hit me in the feels with what he said to him. I didn't know Destroying was expecting a baby. Oh man, that what he did for Destroying in their video, bro, made me respect him a hell of a lot more. Enjoying your workout vlogs? Yeah, I'll try and do more. It's more of a confidence thing with me, like streaming in a gym, my bro. I get a bit weary of it. I took him through it, yeah, bro. But I never thought I'd see that side of him, like ever. Like to the point where he just grabbed him and hugged him and told him to let it out. I was like, bro, far up. As a dad, even that made me feel a bit of a type of way about it. Okay. So I'm trying to get the confidence to go to the gym, period. Bro, baby steps, my bro. Just take your time. I know, like, my wife goes through the same thing. And I always tell her, you know, when the day comes when you do want to go to the gym with me, everyone's not there to look at you. They're there to look at themselves. And that's been something that she's been trying to battle with right now. And we'll get there. We'll get there. How you doing there, Eugene? And no excuses over on the tube? Okay. Yeah. So, I shouldn't really be saying this, but, my wife, has a few insecurities, which is understandable too. But I always tell her that, you know, I'm her number one fan. I'm there for her all the way, no matter what. And when she's ready to take that leap of faith, then we'll get into it. But yeah, I just said for now, you do you, and we'll get to that point. Cause yeah, I would like her to train with me. I'd like to be, you know, that kind of couple that trains together as well, to become, you know, better versions of ourselves. But yeah, it'll all happen in time. All happen in time. Let me get the carving, eh? Alright. Okay, one thing I want to do today is probably get these last two sections out for the arm and the leg. How's everyone on TikTok doing, whānau? Sorry, I haven't been doing much TikTok streams lately. For some reason, everyone wants to buy all the tripods at bloody Kmart. I could probably push the voice closer, to be honest. Oh. Yeah, everyone wants to buy all the bloody tripods at Kmart for some reason. Like, bro, save some for us, bro. Hello there. Fativan. Marcus, thank you very much for the roses, my bro. Yeah, so one thing we do together is running. So you can probably understand why I've been running so much with my wife too. But yeah, it's been cool just, you know, changing our lives around. More for us as well, like definitely for us too. It's always gonna be, you know, one thing. But yeah, it's been pretty good since I started doing my training. Okay, what are we doing today? Trade your tripod for a tiki. Come on. Oh my gosh, voice, work with me, please. There we go. Alright, that's us. That's us legends. Also guys, community games on Friday. If you play Overwatch and you want to have some community games, I'm thinking we might make it twice a week instead of wait a whole entire week just to jam. I gotta say, man, Cat Jetpack brings out the villain in me. I absolutely love that character. Anyone else been playing the new Overwatch season? Oi! Thank you, Pet89K, for the Optimus Prime. Thank you very much, my brother. Appreciate you, legend. Everyone's trying to be influencers. Bros, everyone. I don't know why all these content creators here are arguing amongst each other. Even my cousins were like, what do you think of all the drama amongst all the NZ content creators? I mean, I had peanuts for lunch. that was my answer. I had peanuts for lunch. Genuinely, yeah, I don't care, man. People love to, you know, like from what I've seen, man, everyone just likes to involve themselves in drama just 'cause. What's up, Chills Weeping? How you doing? Did you check out any other mahi that was done for Rua Pika Pika? My brother and his bro-in-law. Head of the big sculpture and a small waka. Nah, I haven't been able to, my bro. I've been so flat out. What's the time? Okay, in the next 20 minutes I better have a bit of a gullah gullah. Salt water and lukewarm water. How much would you charge me for you to make a chopping board for me? Like just to get a chopping board and design it up for you? Ed from the UK. I actually wouldn't mind. I might actually go and buy a chopping board today so we can carve it up. Morning, Amelia. How are you doing? What's up, Fletch? Oh, geez, I wouldn't know how much to charge for a chopping board, eh? I don't know. I'll go and get one today. Wait, did Dawson from Dawson's Creek pass away? That's crazy. He was the main guy, right? Man, I used to hate seeing that show on the TV because I had to watch it when I could have been watching Zoids. Sorry to Dawson from Dawson's Creek. Yeah, sorry, when I was a young man, I would have rather been watching Zoids than Dawson's Creek. Hey, playing in the mud. Thank you very much for the raid. How have you been? Long time no see. Long time no see. Thank you very much for being here. Oh, sorry, I'm just checking out TikTok as well. I just got my first day of work. Oh, nice, bro. How's Mahi? How's your first day of Mahi been, my bro? Oh, man. Did you guys see my Instagram? So, yesterday, or the day before, I saw these kids. So we passed these kids, right? As I was parking up. And then, like, maybe like 5 minutes later, they come out and they're all laughing. And then next thing you know, I see them pulling like stuff out of their pants under their clothes. And they're like flexing, yeah, I just stole this chocolate. And bro, the angry lecturing uncle adult person inside me was screaming to come out. Do you make horse stands? No, I don't, sorry. I'm the Prime Minister of New Zealand. What's my goal? Increasing demand for housing by... Yeah, he's putting a spanner in the works, old Christopher. Him and his three boyfriends, or his 2 boyfriends. Oh, bro, same. I can't buy a house. Hey, morning, but a battle tanker, and everything's fucking expensive now. So even that too, gotta be wary of what we get these days. Like, I don't mind us going to reduce the clear. Like, I don't give 2 damns if people see me and reduce the clear, man. As long as my kids are happy, man, that's the main thing. Tara from Matata. Hey, my little cousin stays in Matata. Thank you, Kijopan, for the aroha. I won't say what street they stay on though, but he does have an ice cream truck in Matata. I gotta stop in and go and have an ice cream at his new ice cream truck. Contemplating turning up to Parliament these days and like, what the fuck we gotta do to change? Voting ain't enough now. Oh, still vote in my opinion, brother. It's better than not voting. Definitely, my bro. It's just, yeah, it sucks the situation we're in the country right now. over politics in general, brother. Do you stay in Whakatane? No, my in-laws do. My in-laws do. Oh, I wanted to go back yesterday for the protest. I won't lie, was it the other day? Okay, I'm gonna shed a bit of light on this, okay? So, oh no. I do not want to see you, bro. Oh no, chat. You know what that means, right? Bro, why you here? My pull-out game is strong. My pull-out game is strong, my boy. You don't need to be here. Oh no. Nah, it can't be me. It can't be me, chat. Yeah, did you know if you see a praying mantis come around randomly? Yeah, it's either it's a foreshadowing of a child on the way, or someone else. I'm hoping it's someone else, not me. Yeah, so go get my pregnancy test, because it ain't me. I don't know, like every time, like this is probably the 5th one I've seen this year. Oh, I mean, yeah, this is the 5th one I've seen this year. Of all different shapes and sizes. But yeah. I'm just gonna put them on the tree over here. Alright. Okay, not ideal. But yeah. Is that a band t-shirt? No, this is the Cartel. They were a faction on GTA RP within the Prodigy server. And they did a lot of, you know, naughty protein powder, if I have to put it in TikTok terms. In-game stuff, by the way. I only cook that stuff in-game. I don't do it in real life. That's how I got so good at GeoGuessr and GTA, because I, you know, cooked all the naughty protein powder all over the Grand Theft Auto map. Anyway, what I was going to say, so there's something happening over in Whakatane right now. Are you excited for GTA? Yeah, I'm doing a 24-hour on the first day, my man. So there is something that's happening over in Whakatane. Obviously, I won't be surprised if media outlets do not talk about this. So the council over there and developers want to expand onto very, very, very sacred land of Ngāti, which are the tribe over there. Now, why do I say it's sacred? Because when the Mātātua Waka got here from the Great Navigation, people within this spot called Opihi from that era and today are buried there in unmarked graves. Now, it is a very, very sacred piece of land. So much so that if you go over there, only men are allowed over there to go and bury people, and you have to take all your clothes off too. Like, you can't take anything from the current world there, pretty much, and that's how sacred and old it is. And so, you know, they want to put, you know, new developments on it because it's in front of the beach. It's a prime, you know, spot, yada yada yada. And yeah, obviously for us it's not just a piece of land, because it has our ancestors there, buried there, cousins, you know, even right to your family that you have today. So yeah, that's going on right now, and that's my wife's family that are fighting for that right now, and obviously that being the land of my children too. So there's that happening. Thank you. Carly Draffy for the 19 roses. Thank you very much. Yeah, so there's that going on right now. And it would have been cool to go back for that. Would have been cool. But it's all good. Oh, why is the camera so dark? Okay. Still dark here, it's the bloody sun. Tēnā koe, kai te pēa koe, you the man, keep it real bro. Oh brother. Yeah, I'm not really trying to fake being anyone else, my bro. just being me. Hey brother, always away from Wales. Hey, chill my bro, what's the time in Wales? Good afternoon, Brox. Hey, what's up, warm-up salad? Yeah, what's the time over there, my bro? I'm guessing it will be late. I know EU tends to get really late. Where's their prey mantis at? Oh, he's still there. He's feeding on some bugs. Nearly 9 at night. Oh, true. It's not like too bad in Ireland or in Europe, I should say. Yeah, I haven't really been watching much Winter Olympics. I usually watch the half pipe stuff. But yeah, I kind of forgot about it. I ended up watching an episode of Fallout last night and I fell asleep, so I've got to rewatch it again today. I've got to watch it again today, gents. It's bro, yeah, no spoilers, but it's shaping up to be a pretty good season, from what I can see so far. I really can't wait to play New Vegas. I've never actually played it. Thank you for the roses, my bro. I heard bad things, but that dude was hypercritical. Oh, bro, there's always those ones, eh? Bro, there could be a guy taking a shit the wrong way and a critical go, nah, bad, unrealistic. But the first season, bro, was amazing. I'm just a fan of Fallout in general, so I'm gonna just love it anyway. I just hope, without knowing what's going on in season 2, I'm hoping that my favourite character gets spoken about or is seen. Because it's giving Enclave much vibes, eh? It's giving Enclave much vibes. So, one of my characters is actually, he's Enclave hard. So I hope we catch a little bit of him, or there's a mention of him. I'll be happy. But yeah, this new season, man, is giving strong Enclave vibes. All the humans tilt me definitely on Team Dog Meat. That's right, Dog Meat's on there. I forgot about that. So yeah, all we're doing right now, guys, is just cleaning everything up. We're rounding everything nicely. Once everything looks nice to me, then we will move on to the head. But before we do that too, I do need to touch up my chisels so we can clean in these gaps here. I want to get that done at some point too. So for now, we're just getting rid of all these marks in the timber. Making sure it's nice and flat too. Do you use sandpaper at the end of... Nah. It's not frowned upon, my bro. We just don't use it. Best way to clean them up, my bro, is just, yeah, with a chisel. It's with a chisel, my bro. Center line here, so we'll have to take a bit more out on this side because there's a bit too much over here. We got a round in here too because I rounded a bit more on this side than on that side. You can probably see it. Thank you very much, Thomas Samuelson, for the dino. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I didn't even notice that before. Wow. And you get chisel. Oi! Kevin, thank you for gifting a sub.
22 gifted a tier 1 sub to Chimney. This is their first gift sub in the channel.
Thank you very much, kind sir. Where's my mallet? Hold on, guys. I seem to have misplaced my mallet. Oh shit, what did I do with it? So I just got to do the old saltwater vibes for the singing voice real quick. Oh, yuck. The things we do to get our singing voice back, eh? That was fucking nasty. Fuck. Fuck. Blech. Yeah, I need to recover my voice before the weekend. Where are we? Over here. She's coming along nicely. Yeah, not too bad, eh? Not too bad. Just can't wait to do the face, eh? Don't know which one we're gonna do just yet. I remember watching a video of you back in 2019 or something. I swear it was you. Most likely. Most likely. What feels like a lifetime ago now, eh? And it's crazy to think we were all going through the same thing, you know, COVID, lockdown. It's pretty crazy. Okay. How are we doing, guys? Purple, red, green, TikTok. How are you guys doing now? All good? Are we good? Is everyone okay? Hope everyone is enjoying their viewing experience this day. It's about to fall out the voice. At work. Oh yeah. I hope it goes well, Zalgi. Hope you're having a good day. Yeah, my day's going good so far. So far it has been. Woke up in a good mood. I ended up doing a bit of CrossFit last night. Mainly just for the sweat up, eh? That's mainly why I try and get just from CrossFit. But it's been pretty good. It's been really good. I can safely say that, you know. With all this healthy eating that I've been doing and just like living a more healthier lifestyle, it's just become an everyday thing now. That's how comfortable it has become. And you know, kind of just discovering my limits as well, which is good. Oh, what's up with this voice? Bro, this bloody voice, bro. Okay, there we go. Thank you very much for the roses. Alright. That's all good now. Is this a chain? No, this is a Heitiki. Just got home from work at McDonald's for a bite and to find Brock Stream and chill and can't ask more. Oh, whoa, so what's the Macca's order, my bro? What did you get? What did you get? That is the $1 million question, sir. That is the $1 million question. I like to know an individual's Macca's order. What are we feasting on after work, my bro? What are we feasting on? I feel like if I eat a Big Mac here, I'm going to think about the time Peanut started choking on one. Finlay, thank you for the 20 roses, my bro. BLT with... Ooh, fancy. We don't have that. Where are you in the world, my bro? You. Wow, that actually sounds pretty good, eh? Yeah, brother, love your work. Ah, thank you, brother Finley. No, still thank you for the love, my bro. I remember one viewer, they said, you don't have to thank me, you shush your mouth. MOUF. I will say thank you. Shush the mouth, huh? Are you live on Friday? Yes. I'm thinking we cook our cheat meal tomorrow. What say you, chat room? Do we indulge in the cheat meal tomorrow? I've got a surprise for you. I hope it's a Zolian tiger. Yeah, cheat day tomorrow. I have them once a month. Once a month. I'll be honest, bro. If there's one thing I miss from America, this could be like weirdo airs, but Baja Blast. That's one thing I miss from America, man. Baja Blast. Oh, you're in... Bro, how come you's got cool fries? Bro, we never have special fries here. We always have basic Andy fries. But every time I look at a Big Mac now, bro, I think of Peanut's choking face. Is that weird? How you, Tokioki? And then next thing you know, they try and do McDonald's fried chicken here. And I'll be honest, bro, whatever batter they put on the chicken, bro, drier than a dad joke. And I know, I'm a dad. And I tell some of those jokes too, so brother. Not the one, eh? Yo, what up, sorry, how you doing? I remember my wife got these, what are they, what's that fucking rubbery cheese? She got these, halloumi? I think that's what it's called. It just, yeah, it feels like you're eating bloody rubber anyway. Anyway, so she bought some of those fries, but she didn't tell me what they were. And I was eating them, but I thought I was eating plastic. I thought I was eating plastic, man. Is this your job, live streaming? And carving, yes, are my jobs. Carving's been my job for a long time. Okay. I was like, what the fuck are these? And I went to her and I was like, hey babe, I think you got ripped off. And he goes, why? She me, because your shit is like eating rubber. And she just laughed and called me a dum-dum. I was like, what? I feel like I'm eating bloody rubber. She me, they're halloumi fries, you dickhead. And you know me naturally, what the fuck is that? It's like a cheese. I mean, oh, this ain't cheese, bro. You got whatever you got, that ain't cheese. How the hell you gonna eat cheese and in my mouth I can hear what the fuck? Squeaky ass shit. Joe by the Reese. Okay. Clean up in here. Yo, what up, Nova? How you doing? Yeah, I don't know, man. Whoever made halloumi cheeses, jeez, what were you thinking? Squeaky cheese. What are you making, Korg? We are cleaning a Heitiki, my friend. How are you? Thank you very much for the Aroha on the purple app and on TikTok as well. I can't believe I gotta say that, bro. Why do you gotta say that? Apparently you have to say it when you're on TikTok lives. These days, I'm not actually sure why. Gee, we should run some games sometime, my bro. Just me and you. Get some young clips in. I reckon we can get some laughs, my bro. Thank you very much, Lucky Star, for the hat. Hold on, guys. Let's go and open up the windows to all the house. No, I'll tell you the truth. The reason why I ran off the screen is because there was a J-dub walking up the road. If you don't know what a J-dub is, Chad, it's a Jehovah Witness. So I just went to put a carving out in front of the door. Yeah, bro, let's run some stuff, my bro. Get some clips in for some laughs. I was thinking about it last night. I was supposed to hit you up last night, but I saw you were in your editing thing, so I didn't want to disturb you. Getting a J-dub on stream could be a good clip farm. Nah, fuck that. I don't know what it is, man, but there's just been a lot of walkers around lately. If you don't know what I mean by that, walkers as in like, you know, just Jehovah Witness, those, do you want to learn about Christ the door knockers, those ones? So yeah, that's the only way I know how to counter J-dubs, because I do it to my auntie all the time. She's one too. She's just that annoying auntie that don't know how to take the hint. So the only way I know how to is just to counter by using carvings. So it's a bit of a hard counter, so you know I can't complain. Thank you very much for the donut, Martin. Even some of the, you know, I've caught on to the TikTok of the groups of, do you want to learn about Jesus Christ groups? They use a lot of young people, eh? They use a lot of young people, man. So what I do is, I won't lie, I pretend I'm in a gang. And I walk to the front of the door with a fake bottle of rum. I even show you the rum too. And you want to know what I got it from? That sponsored stream I did for Pirate Yakuza. It's not even real. Yeah, I'll go and get it. I'll show you. This is it here. See, it's even got Pirate Yakuza on the side and Sega, but I just turn it around that way. See, look, it's 0p as well. It's got 0 on the front. It's just a collectible that looks cool, I guess. It's got like the seal on it and everything. So yeah, I use that and pretend I'm an alcoholic gang member to stop them from hanging around. So yeah, sorry to people of those faiths, but I'm just not interested, eh? And I usually put my hair out and wear a vest. So just some little some little things I do when I'm just not trying to hear anyone really. 90% of the time that I'm home, I'm shirtless, so I remember one time I was like, shall I just go out of nothing but the jocks? And I thought to myself, no, it'll definitely scare them, but yeah, no, don't do that. We don't want to do that, huh? This finger. Hello, Benjamin. How are you, brother? Okay. Hey, Frolamon. This bit out. Hey, Ben. Wait, is my TikTok stream cutting out? Oh no. I think it is. I think it might be. Yeah. I just saw that too. Sorry if it's a bit boring, guys. Fuck, it's just a lot of little things that I gotta do now on the body. Like, majority of the molding of the body is done. And so, yeah, just cleaning up little sections here and there is all I have to do right now. Before we move on to the head. But I just want to make sure we get as much of the body done as possible before we move on. Watching or playing GTA? Chair. My screen just went dark for some reason. What's going on? Your live will end in 5 minutes. Okay, I think it's saved. Okay, I think it's good. Came back to Twitch. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with the TikTok live at the moment. Even our music is stopped. Might just leave these up there for now. The TikTok, how he's doing up there. All good. What happened to our music, bro? Okay, is the leg fixed now, Ben? Thank you very much for that, brother. How's the leg now? Is it all good? Sorry, I gotta put you up there for now on TikTok. Thank you for the 2 roses, brother Ben. Thank you very much, next door, for the 4 roses. How is TikTok doing now? Is it running again? Is it all good? No one's really saying. Can I donate? I am not going to tell you what to do with your money. Sorry, brother, that's just the way I am. Yeah, if you're going to ask me should I donate, my answer's always going to be, I'm not going to tell you what to do with it. Sorry, man. Like, when it comes to me, I feel like that's the best answer I can give. Thank you for the 2 roses. Hello, mister. I hope you're doing alright. I miss the summer. Refreshing to see some sun rays over there. I'll be honest, I'm over summer, eh? It can piss right off. It can piss right off. I can't wait for winter. Oh! Yo, Peridal, thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. Sorry I only just caught that, brother. Cruel Mercy, thank you for the Optimus Prime too. Adding to our daily sub goal. Appreciate you, my man. Oh, bro, this voice. If you have a bit of a cheeky prime as well, chat, and you want to use it on the stream, on the Twitch stream, I should be more specific, it will be much appreciated too. I think today we should bring out the planer too. Bring out the planer. Oh, come on, voice. Thank you for the roses as well, AJG. You're nice. Oh, Purdle, thank you very much, brother. Sorry I missed the animation though, my bro. But thank you very much for the love too, brother. I hope everyone has been enjoying the carving streams. I want to be as consistent as possible for you guys, for those that support me, and hopefully it brings positive things too. Where are you from again? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, my bro. Down here in the southern hemisphere. Oi! How are we? Calmest person I've ever seen. Oh! I was pretty stressed out yesterday. I mean, I still am, but you know, I went to the gym yesterday, so it's not plaguing me as hard today. But it's still there a little bit, still there. Also guys, I'm not sure if I should do it in the Discord or just do it live in stream. One thing I'm going to be doing is, because I can't do a subathon, I'm just going to have some monthly sub goals to hopefully hit every month. If you've got any suggestions for some, let me know. I still reckon I want to do a spam musubi stream too. But I'll need all the ingredients. What shorts are you wearing today? I got these for $12 from Warehouse. Just some dad shorts, my bro, nothing too crazy. Just some dad shorts, my bro. Thank you for the roses, my bro. What's up, Big Chungy? How you doing? Also, chat, most likely gonna be jamming OnlyFans 3 as well. I'm not sure when that's gonna happen though, but the Discord is picking up again, so I'm guessing it should be relatively soon. Yeah, relatively soon. But I'm pretty excited for it, man. I'm pretty excited. How have I been, sir, brother? I've been good. I've been good. I see Adam LZ's back in the country too, and he bought his A90. What's up, XG? It looks so good too, eh? Oh my gosh. What's up, Alan? What's up, Dark Vein over on Twitch? Just cleaning up in these gaps, guys. It's looking great. Oh, cheers, brother. Yeah, I'll probably have a break soon. Probably have a break soon and have a yarn with you guys and then carry on. All we're doing really now is just like little things. Nothing too crazy, it's just little things that have to be done in order for us to progress forward. Why are my filtered comments not coming up? Your live stream, yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why it's lagging. Damn, seems our TikTok is cooked today. Yeah, my TikTok seems really cooked today. Kia ora Neon, kei te pēhea koe. Hope you're having a great day, Matthias Mortal. Yeah, my day's going all good, my bro. Progress has been made. Progress has been made. Is it still lagging? I actually don't know. Unable. Fuck, my net must be dropping hard today. Yeah, she must be lagging pretty hard today. Thought it would be getting cooking stream with that title. Oh yeah, we did breakfast this morning. Can anyone on TikTok let me know if it's still lagging? Just waiting for someone on TikTok to reply. Not lagging? Ended with someone else. Oh bro, it's all good, BM. All good, bro. Not laggy anymore. It seems like it goes in and out, eh? Seems like it goes in and out with the lag. I'm not sure why. But I guess, you know, it's just one of those days. Yeah, it might be just one of those days for my internet, guys. So we're pretty much just cleaning up in those arms right now. So yeah, that's one side, and as I mentioned before, we're actually doing two sides to the carving as well. What's up, Assad? How you doing, brother? Yeah, I don't know how to combat this lag, chat. I pay my internet bill. I'm definitely not going to be one of those guys that spends a shit ton of money on phone data. Screw that. Yeah, I'm definitely not trying to move like that, chat. Hell no. I've got a piece of pineapple stuck in my teeth. Got it. You're building frames. Oh, true, my bro. That's on. That's on. How's that going? Can you still see TikTok all good? Yo, that's the guy. It's lagging again. Damn, I might just have to end the TikTok live today. Yeah, I might just end the TikTok, eh? Yeah, I don't know if anyone can hear me on TikTok. I might just finish up the TikTok stream for today. If anyone can hear me. Yeah, I don't know how to combat that. So everyone on TikTok, not sure if you can hear me. Yo, Bedley, thank you very much for the dinosaur, my bro. I do apologize. We can still hear you nice and loud. Okay. To everyone watching on TikTok, I'm gonna carry on the streams on the current, platforms that I'm on, which is Twitch, Kick, and YouTube. If you want to go through on one of those, feel free to do so. But if it's continuing to lag on TikTok, then I'm probably gonna end it because it kind of ruins, the viewing experience of everyone watching right now. So for now, if you want to go through and watch on the other platforms that I'm live on, feel free to. If not, have a good day, have a good night. To everyone watching from around the world, and I will see you next time, eh? Bye bye TikTok. Che. Okay, sorry, I just had to end that because that's not fair for them. If the stream is playing up like that, and this music, bro. I made $10 off that stream. Alright, carrying on. That's crazy. Hawaii tēnei tonga kai te haere tēnei ki America. Maybe. If they lift the tariffs, yep. But that's where the fella lives that redeem this. So I gotta wait for Don Dons to lift his restrictions on imports. Which I highly doubt will happen anytime soon. Is it just from gifts? Yeah, pretty much, bro. Pretty much. Like even with like Kick, right? I have 7 active subs, but for the last couple weeks it actually hasn't been saying that I'm gonna receive it. Like it's been blank for the last couple weeks. And I don't know why. Like it's not even tracking the KCIP stuff or anything like that. And I don't know if I like did something wrong or anything like that. So yeah, it's been a mystery, this whole like streaming in general. Like at least I know the reason why everything's low on Twitch. It's because wasn't active through the holidays that much. And at the same time, you know, if I'm being realistic, people don't really have interest that much. Like a lot of people have kind of moved on. Which is understandable too, because you know that's just the nature of streaming as a whole. And then lucky that, you know, at the same time we do have some of my community still here. So those are the things I've been navigating lately. Just trying to figure out how to do better from that. But I must say, it is very hard. Very hard. Yeah, bro, yeah. Definitely stressful too, but you know, you know me, I'll just go let it all out at the gym, but deep down, you know, it's still in the back of my mind. Like even now I wonder, like, this might be my last year, maybe? Depending on how it pans out. Those are kind of like the, even to those listening on Twitch, these are kind of like the thoughts I have as, you know, with streaming and only specifically towards myself. Yeah, I'm gonna try and push as hard as I can, but you know me, if it comes to that point where I need to be realistic, then yeah, I'll have to be, because I gotta think about, you know, my family and my kids at the end of the day. Don't want to be a selfish guy. I love doing what I'm doing right now, like streaming and everything, but you know, if it starts to hinder, if I start to be, you know, the problem for my family moving forward, then I'll probably be realistic about it too. Okay. We really need to sharpen our tools up to get in here. Yeah, bro, yeah. And I will always be like that. Like, always. Always, my bro. Because I always get those DMs, like, your streams aren't doing well anymore, Like, just, people trying to taunt me on Instagram, but bro, I'll be honest, that kind of stuff doesn't really work. Because I'm, like, already aware of it. I think the latest one I got was, I can't wait for the day you stop streaming. I was like, oh damn, what did I do to you? Damn, brother. Vermin, thank you very much for the follow. Over on Grove Street. Yeah. I'll be honest, I just put laughing face to those kind of comments there. But yeah, those kind of DMs are not uncommon at all. That's wild. Oh, bro, that's just the internet, bro. That's just the way the internet be majority of the time. So yeah, it's not something I'm surprised by. I'll be honest. Okay. Why does my stuff keep stopping? You playing any TBC? Yeah, I'm on Night Slayer. But I think OnlyFans will be starting soon. And I'll be getting him back in on that. There was some conversations on the OnlyFans Discord server last night. Big Diablo showcase. Spine Shadow here. You're in the EU? When was that showcase? Today? Yeah, I'm still level 60. I was jamming a little bit like yesterday, but I was just getting ganked every time, so I just logged off. And just wait for when it's not so crowded on the server. Because every time, bro, it's just a level 68 rogue, then a hunter turned up, and then they just sat on my body the whole day. Oh, 30th anniversary. Oh, okay. True. Okay. What did they announce today? Yeah, if you were a gambling streamer, you'd be praised. Yeah, bro. If gambling or just... I feel like a controversial streamer as well. Unless, you're solidified as a big time streamer like I would say like Tim the Tap Man and them. But that's what I like about Peanut too. He just does his own thing, he has fun. And yeah, he yells a lot, which I wish I could do, but I'll wake the kids up. But yeah, I'd say that, the current meta is either, be an asshole, or just be a gambling streamer. I actually got offered a steak deal last week too, and obviously, you know, I'm not gonna take it because I'm not a gambling streamer. But it was crazy that, you know, people from Steak actually contacted me. Like, actual crazy, bro. But yeah, for me personally, rolling with them will definitely affect my morals. What's your name, my bro? Brox. Brox is my name, my friend. So yeah, I didn't want to get it on there. Hey, what up, coach? Happy to see that you're live. How you been there, brother Geef? I heard they do offer crazy money, but they didn't say a specific amount, but they did say we want to collab. We think we could help with your current goal. And I looked at it and I said, nah. I just said, I'm good. I'm good. I'd rather be, I'd rather be broke than sign my soul over to them. What's up? Not sarcastic. Fuck, I almost said narcissist. Holy shit. The double S's got me. Sorry, brother. Cheers, Sally. Yeah, I'm doing good, brother. I'm doing good. How are you? How did you find the stream, brother? Yeah, so we're just having a break and having a bit of a yarn. Yeah, I think from now on I might just smash my breakfast at the starting of the stream, eh? Back and all absolutely exhausted, the jet lag is real. Oh, and it'll be yucky and hot up there, eh? Thank you, amazing Bob. I'll show you, eh? I'll show you what we've done. So, where we're currently at with this piece is just a lot of cleaning up little things. Just little things, really. So, yeah, all we're doing right now is the body. Right here. Then on the other side too. So it's actually double-sided. Okay? So what we're currently doing is just designing, really. Oh, just molding, sorry. You clean out the inside of the holes. Yeah. I've just got to sharpen up my rounds because they're a bit blunt. So do all of that, clean those all up, and in the inside as well. Once everything's good on the body, like even in here too. Thanks for the follow, Sully. That's when we move to the face. The reason why I've left the face blocked out is just so it can sit nicely in the vise. That's the only reason. Yeah, that's pretty much the only reason why. Gotta take a relatively big chunk out of this leg. Alright. So there we're up just where their pencil is. So everything on the top here, we've got to cut that out, okay? Because it's not on the same level as the other leg. So that's what we're going to do next. But for now, we're just going to chill out. Looks like it's wearing a hat. Yeah, we haven't even molded the head yet. Hold on, chat. Okay. So far, so great. Thank you, Aki. Where are you from? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, my bro. I stay down here, my bro, in the southern hemisphere. Next to Australia. So sort that section out, eh? On the west coast. Oh, che. California, knows how to party. Last time I was in Kelly was for BlizzCon. And that was fun, bro. Although, you know, Anaheim did smell a little bit like the urine. But still an amazing experience nonetheless. Anaheim sucks, bro. It was smelly, brother. But yeah, it was pretty buzzy. First time being in Cali. But my first time to America was actually Vegas. I didn't mind Vegas, eh? It was okay. How long have you been wood carving for? Since I was 12. 12 years old, my bro. Do you guys get deadly spiders? Not really. The deadliest animal in this country is probably a bull that's probably horny AF, and you're the only thing in the paddock. And you might have a blue and black hoodie on. That would probably be the most dangerous animal in the country. Yo, Dome, thank you for the 19 months, my brother. How are you, my bro? How are you? How are you? How are you, good sir? Yeah, I'd say, yeah, a cow that's horny AF and you've got a black and white hoodie on in a paddock. That'd probably be the most dangerous animal in the country. Yeah, well, nothing here is... Is it hard what you're doing? Where have you travelled? I'll be honest, bro. I only started travelling when I started streaming. So, okay, I'll stop this for now. So my trips all up that I've around the world so far. So the first place I went to was Sydney, and that was for Wrath of the Lich King Classic relaunch. And I got invited by Blizzard. They paid for my tickets, brought me over. And then my second trip was PAX, just after lockdown. The first PAX after lockdown. Obviously I paid for that because, you know, it was a cool opportunity to go there and just be at a, you know, a convention for the same time, for the first time, and my wife tagged along too. And then next trip after that was TwitchCon. I became a Twitch ambassador, and when that happens you actually get a free trip to any TwitchCon within the year you became a Twitch ambassador. And so Las Vegas was the next one. It was cool, different as. Surprised that the sun is not as bad as the sun here. I thought it was all good. And it's never cold there, never cold at all. But yeah, got to, you know, explore around Vegas, went in the Tesla tunnel, walked up the strip, seen all the strippers as well. And man, I gotta say, the confidence they have to walk around in barely anything in public, man. I was like, oh jeez, are you not scared? And then they just laughed and said, you're not from here. I was like, nope. No, I'm not. And then the second trip after that was a week later. After TwitchCon, then I got flown to BlizzCon by Blizzard ANZ, and that's when I went to Anaheim. And I remember that when I landed, bro, that trip was stressful because I didn't have international internet or calling, and my driver was trying to contact me. But luckily, Scripe from Echo, which is a WoW guild, he noticed who I was and he goes, "Oh, you lost?" I went, yeah, I don't even know what I'm doing. And him, Scripe, was actually the one that told me, "Jump on my Uber and we'll take you to the hotel." Because they were staying at the Hilton and I was staying at the one directly across from it. So where BlizzCon is, it's in the Anaheim Stadium or Anaheim Convention, whatever. And then it's got the Hilton and the other hotel. So it's basically across the road from each other. And yeah, Scripe dropped me off. That's why I'm Team Echo now. Because he did that for me in a very stressful time. Because he knew who I was. I was like, "You're the woodcarver. What are you doing here?" I'm here for BlizzCon. And then, I jumped in the car with them. And yeah, that whole experience was an amazing BlizzCon, bro. Because that's when Moga got announced, the Samoan hero on Overwatch. And I lost my shit in the crowd, eh? And even being there to witness like the trailer with the sword and everything, like all the new reveals, it was so cool. And the one thing I miss about America, as I mentioned, was Baja Blast. I was drinking Mountain Dew all the time, bro. Because they had Mountain Dew stations all around the convention. Then I came home. Then my next trip was the one last year to PAX again, where I got flown out by Aftershock and I did a collaboration with them. I got to carve a panel for one of their PCs. Picking the hotspots, can't say I blame you though. I come back to the US, I hope you get to see the natural. I would love to see like the scenery of America, definitely for sure. But at the moment I'm too scared to go to America because of ice. Yeah, I'd love to go to this year's BlizzCon, but that's only if I get invited. I can't, like, I gotta be realistic. I can't really pay for myself to go to BlizzCon because mine and my wife's big goal this year is to have a house. And we've been saving. And yeah, just making time for what I got. Vegas would have been crazy. It was, bro. I think on the third day, when I was in Las Vegas, I started to feel really disconnected. Like I wanted to come home. Like inside, like wanted to come home. But waited it out. Met a lot of my mates through GTA RP, and then met the bro Peter Park. He's a good dude. I met Jesse Cox at TwitchCon as well. He was single-handedly the content creator who I watched play all of Cataclysm because I was broke, I didn't have money to play that. And yeah, I pretty much watched him play Cata in his YouTube channel when it used to be called OMFG Cata. That's who I watched through that whole expansion just to live through it all. And man, I met a lot of people. Met Summit at Vegas. Nice dude. Surprised he knew who I was. Yeah, I met Jesse Cox. I haven't heard that name in ages. Yeah, bro, OMFG Cata. And he was buzzing out. That's what I called him by. I was like, nah, man, you pretty much carried me through bloody Cataclysm, bro. Yo, what up, Chris? What else? Who else did I meet? Yeah, met the bro Summit, Hutch, and Judd. I actually got a photo with them. Let me. Let's see if I can find it. Jeez, I hope I can find it. Oh, here. So look, there's Hutch. There's Hutch and his now wife. There's the bro Mateo at the back there. Summit and his missus. There's the bro Boombox at the back. Then there's the bro Garrett with his wife. The brother Zolo, and there's me at the back. At the back of Zolo. With my Crocs on. There's he. I got Crocs on at TwitchCon and socks. So yeah, met all of them, hung out with them at TwitchCon, and it was cool. It was cool as. I ran home to watch his new YouTube videos. Oh, did you? That guy was my freaking idol as a kid. Oh, chill, my bro. And me and the baby at the wedding in my cowboy hat. Nah, you're good, you're good. So yeah, in saying that, we've been a couple places so far as a streamer, and keep in mind those are my first time overseas. Las Vegas was my first big international trip on my own. I was scared as shit, man. I was scared as, I'll be completely honest with you guys. You know, going to America. One thing I was afraid of was the policing, just the way, you know, people of color, dark color, were being treated, and I was scared I was gonna be treated that same way in Las Vegas. But I'll be honest, I actually spoke with a cop over there, and he was cool as, he was nice as, and because he asked, "You're not from around here, where are you from?" And I told him I'm from Aotearoa, and he pretty much said New Zealand, right? And I was like, "Oh, gee, this guy, okay, I'm impressed, I'm impressed." And he pretty much had a genuine conversation with the cop as well, and he was a good dude. He was a good dude. But yeah, that was my biggest fear going to America. Sorry to my people watching from America, that's just how I felt. What else? Yeah, that was about it. And then, you know, BlizzCon had a lot of amazing moments with a lot of amazing people as well. Like, all these streamers I grew up watching, bro, ended up, I'm mates with them now. Look, Bajira, got a photo with Bajira. My literal warrior idol. What's that? There, bro, my literal warrior idol. That's us. BlizzCon opening ceremony. Oh, that's just a few of the ANZ creators. See, look. That was when BlizzCon was about to start, and we got in there early. That's when they announced War Within. There's, what's her name? From Diablo. That's when Alari got released as well. A Widowmaker statue. Tracer. I think Junkrat as well. Yeah. I was just taking photos, bro, galore. And there's me and Grom Hellscream. Oh, fuck's sake. And then Moga got announced, and I lost my shit, bro. Even got to play test Moga that day too. And then yeah, we got front row for BlizzCon again. And seeing out, what else do we have? I beat her at a game of Hearthstone. That's when the Wild West update was coming out, and bust of Sylvanas And that's when the trailer for War Within released. And just a photo of Ebonhorn. And this is some of the art I got from BlizzCon too of the ETC. And it's just me getting feels because Thrall's getting old. Me with Moga. What else is coming up? Me with the sword. Me with Sargeras' sword. Outside of BlizzCon. Me next to Gorehell. Now here, we actually got to take a tour around the Blizzard campus. Yo, Endog, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my bro. So I was just looking at all the art on and this is a big statue outside BlizzCon of all the people that reach cap level. And I only knew one name on there. Or two actually. Trainwrecks and the bro Zizaran. So yeah, there's a shit ton of names on there. And then yeah, more big statues around the campus. Big Tracer action figure looking one. And that's the orc out the front. Yeah, I didn't really take much for TwitchCon. It's me and my stunt double, S-Fan TV. There's me and Me and Summit. And me and Hutch. He's fucking tall, man. And me and Dan Clancy, I made him hold the Tinoranga Tiratanga flag. Me and the bro Lyceum. Who else? Gosh, can this go any slower? Yeah, I didn't really take much photos at TwitchCon. I did, but they're on my other phone. So yeah, and saying that, yeah, it did take us around the world quite a few times. Yeah, we'll always be grateful for those moments. Next stream maybe, yeah, I gotta try and find them, I gotta try and find them all actually. I won't lie, my arm was getting sore. Jeez, I don't know English today. Oh, it's all good, bro. It's all good. But yeah, I think with those trips that I went on, especially the ones in America, Dungeons for OnlyFans. Oh, is he? Yeah, I think we're all going on Dream Scythe. I don't know how it's gonna go because I think there's gonna be 2 guilds. I still might try the Legend of the Shield, bro. But I'm wondering if I do it on Pally. Yeah. I'll if they start doing like open invites, I'll hit them up. I'll hit up the bros about it. Can never go wrong. Yeah. So the dumb challenge that I thought of, because you know I don't want to play the game normally this time around, is yeah, as I've mentioned it a couple times, the Legend of the Shield, bro, is try and play the game with no weapon other than shield. And I feel like it might be easy to do with a paladin. Yeah, we'll just see how it goes. I just want to do it for fun, and if I die on that, then I'll play it properly. I just want my first run through to try and be fun, and I want to make a YouTube series out of it. Try and get more YouTube content for OnlyFans. I tried to do it on my own, but it was just too hard. It was just too hard. And I couldn't manage the time too. So I don't know, I think it might be Alliance this time around. I'm either gonna go human or Draenei. I might go female space goat. Holy fuck, this is blunt. What do you reckon, Alex? Is it even worth trying? I might, yeah, I'll probably just do it anyway. Because I still gotta get to 60 and that's gonna be freaking hard, man. Get brother, what wood do you game is about having fun? Yeah. What would you use for Whakairo? It depends what I have, my bro. Majority of the time. So this is my first time I've had to use some pine in a long time. Yeah, one thing I want to do more this time with OnlyFans is try and jump in those chat rooms more and get over my shyness. At least I know the bro Weed Elf and Tuka are gonna be in there. Can't wait for the content Weed Elf brings out. He's so talented, bro. If you haven't already, go through and give Weed Elf a follow too. I might name my character John Hollow Live this time. What's up, Arwen? Kia ora, cuz, how are you, G? I'm doing good, my bro. Could you be a boy? Just talking about OnlyFans. Yeah. Peace Bloom and Alcohol is one of my favorites. He released a new one too. But yeah, I pretty much told the bro, yeah, I'm gonna be jamming, bro. Let me check the Discord real quick. Oh, apparently there's gonna be a new Discord. Oh, wretched. Oh, shit. So I think, yeah, it's not gonna be for a while though. But, the momentum has been made. Thank you very much, Brother Joe Dirte, for the gifted. Sorry I had to end the bloody, I haven't played Hunter in 10 years. Yeah, I think the last time we played it was... Yeah, one of the re-releases, eh? That Troll Hunter. If I remember correctly. What was his name? Vicinity? Yeah, no, I remember. Yeah, I remember now. I had to do the oil change on the Hermes 4Runner. For you! You got a bit of a hearty truck too, my bro? I know I don't have money check, but man, I saw this E30, one of those older models in a car yard yesterday, and I was like, oh man, look at that beauty. Much in Rimu? Like carved Rimu? Yeah, I've carved everything that I can think of. The only thing I haven't carved is kahikatea. Most Rimu that I've come across though has been quite brittle. What is that? I don't like working on them too much though. Oh yeah, they're a bit of a headache, eh? I would assume so, eh? Because it's hard to get European parts. Yeah, bro, I love the old E30s too, bro. I see a lot of them like on Instagram, eh? They're all like Liberty walked, all done up. They look so good, bro. Sorry, just doing my washing. Sorry, Chad, I forgot to turn the washing machine on. E30, have you worked on, like I'm no purist, my bro, but I definitely like the old RWB Porsches, eh? Yeah. Sorry to the purists out there, but bro, I actually like the look of them, eh? But I've come to realise that I like a lot of the older JDM models. The older JDM stuff. I think they look so good, eh? Let me just put another load of washing on. I swear these kids have more damn clothes than I do. I was a mechanic specializing in JDM cars for a long time. All the European and American stuff to me. Annoying. Because of all the yeah, bro. That's why I don't like these older cars either, or these newer cars either. They're getting too bloody technical with it, eh? Alright, legends, how long has the stream been on for now? And is anyone still watching on YouTube? I know the Bro Master will be just chilling on Kick. Because if no one's watching on YouTube, could be coast as clear to jam some music. Subaru CI that I did a little work on, and my daily driver is a gym. True, my bro. Bro, I remember, like, because I was playing Grand Theft Auto the other day, and then foresters have made their way into the game. I was like, fuck, I remember when I used to want a forester. I used to froth over those cars, bro. Hard to find clean ones now. Yeah. Even with muscle cars too, I really like the old square looking ones. And they get extra done up, bro, and then they look mean as. trying to look for a bloody car to watch, but too far away from the Wi-Fi. There's a shop down the street from my house that specializes in muscle cars from the 60s and 70s. Always when I drive by. Wee. Yeah, bro, there's some beauties out there, man. I think I saw I think it was an Impala, but it had been like done right up, eh? Got like the wide on it. Yeah, once again, I'm no purist, man. Just the way that bloody Impala looked with a wide body kit looked freaking crazy. Alright, let's keep going, eh? So judging from the way this looks now, so you can kind of see that we took a decent amount of the leg, but you know we got to fix the roll now. And see over here, got to work on the roll now because it needs to start rolling from about here instead of closer to the edge, so it looks a lot more natural. Almost another hour chat. Got to do the salt and the lukewarm water again. Lukewarm, whatever the hell you call it. Every time I come in, I just find peace. Hey, what's up, my bro? Hope you're good, brother. Hope you're good. Once again, brother, I still love that piece you did, man. It looks so good. If I had to be specific and choose one specific thing from that picture, I'd say the shoulder, bro. Watching the amount of time you put into it, damn. Wait. That voice anchored on the ground? No, not at all. Not at all, my friend. Not at all. It's just one I can cart around and put away easy. That's what I like about it, brother. It's easy to put away. It's not one of those big ass spices that takes up too much space. It feels like, yeah, bro, the amount of time you put into each section, bro, fully understand that. Okay, I think that's good now. Just remember, guys, we'll be getting lunch very shortly. Lunch for today: lean mince with sweet potato. Okay, that is on the menu for us today. Let me go and see if it's ready. You get a little bit more of this done, and then you're making it on stream. Oh, I made it last night, my bro. But I still gotta dig out the sweet potato. I was thinking about it too, like saving it for today. but then my wife said I can have some, so I just made it anyway. Okay. Let's put this up. Hey, what up, social club? How you doing? About to join us for lunch, my bro. That's wild, it never shakes. Oh, the voice? Yeah, bro, it's heavy enough, eh? Like, the only thing I'm propping that up on is, 3 blocks of wood. Here we go. So that's, What about you? Yeah, I've been good, my bro. Just trying to get my A into G with the streams as usual, my bro. I've been training as well. Did a bit of I found out, chat, that I can almost do 1K in 10 minutes. My fat ass is getting there. My fat ass is getting there ever so slightly. So something I've been doing for myself in terms of running is I want to try and get at least a K done before 10 minutes. I'm going at a moderately slow pace as well. There, we've just been slamming that. One moment, let me put these to the side. But it feels good though. It feels really good. What do you think about... What are you working on? Greetings from Denmark. Oh, we're just finishing up on a Heiteki for today. So this is it here. Okay. We're just mapping out the body right now. It's gonna be a bit of a double-sided one, my bro. Okay. What type of wood? So that's actually pine, bro. Normal Andy pine. No, I don't. You know, it's not typically the kind of timber I want all the time. But it's what I have, bro. So you know, it just made sense to use that. Yo, thank you very much, Wayne's DK. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my bro. If anyone else has a bit of a cheeky Prime and they want to use it on the stream, it would be much appreciated too. Because we are currently, if I have to name it, my sub count, it would be the theme song for, what's the name of Tom Cruise's jet movie? Welcome to the danger zone. How often do you go to the gym? Pretty much try and go every day, but it's at different times. It's kind of kid dependent, my bro. Or sometimes I'll just do it at home. Yeah. Like yesterday, I didn't really do any weights. It was more just functional movements. And functional movement and yeah, just a bit of CrossFit movement too. Pretty much. Yo, brother Joe Deerte, thank you very much for the 5 ball, my brother. Did I miss lunch? I'm about to bring it out. I won't be making it on stream, I'm sorry. Because I made it last night, but I'll show you what we're having, okay? Lean mince, sweet potato, and also a little bit of cream cheese. Do you take any supplements? Yeah, I just can't really afford to buy any. So I've just been on the food vibes, my bro. Yeah, I don't have any whey isolate. I've got like pre-workout, but I keep forgetting to take it. And Cunnies gummies. Alright, let me go and get it, eh? I've also got to drink this shit. Hold up. Fucking yuck. Oh, the things we do to get our singing voice back. Alright, let me go and get the foods. Every day we eat good. Tis mala.
Themed Day 95 cheer takes 400.
Okay, for lunch today. Oh shit! Joey, thank you very much for the biddies too, and also the MF bear as well. Thank you. Saltwater, yeah. You're in a gang. No. So this is it here, chat. Lean mince with a bit of taco seasoning and a sweet potato, okay? So that's all we're having there. I mean, I have a lot of aunties and uncles in gangs, but not me. I'm a good boy. If I was to join an MC, it'll most likely be red rum, if it was ever a thing, you know? Okay, so I'm going to take out some of the... I'm going to take out some of the sweet potato. Also, to those in the UK, I've been seeing this potato, this particular potato with tuna and beans. Doesn't really slap that hard. Is it really that good? Yo, Febo, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime as well, my bro. Damn, my dude. Right up in the meal plan. Yeah, like, right in, bro. Right in, bro. And, it actually feel like I can feel and see it. The results, I should say. Me personally, I think, holy cow. Yo! Damn FB with the 20 bomb. Holy guacamole, and we got a hype train too. Yo, Wheelchair, thank you for the 55 months as a tier 3.
I'm just 20k away from the magic number now.
Oi, nice, my bro. Thank you very much, brother. Holy, them FB, thank you for the 20 bomb as well, man. Holy. Thank you very, very much, brother. Thank you. And to Wheelchair as well, with the resub for 55 months as a tier 3. Almost there, eh? Yeah, I don't want to have too much of this chat. But basically, this is what's for lunch. Love what you did. Just help you keep doing. Ah, thank you, brother. So that's lunch. Sweet potato with lean mince and a little bit of cottage cheese, okay? And thank you to those that are saying thank you to the bro as well. What does that guy say? Just woke up 10 seconds ago, man. Just woke up 10 seconds ago, man. About to eat this food, man. Has anyone seen him? So yeah, that's what we're eating today. To anyone else eating, and that's on a meal plan, and that's training as well. All the best. Let's keep going, eh? Let's do it as a community. Thank you very much for the level 7 hype train too, and MFB for the 20 bomb, hitting our daily sub goal for the first time this year. And also Wheelchair with the 55 months as a tier 3 as well. Okay, here we go. Karakia first, and then have a kai. Kia ora. Okay. So yeah, this is what we're eating today, guys. Just something on the healthy side. I'll be honest, I think I like orange sweet potato more than the yellow one. Slaps harder than OG Mudbone slapping a lady on the face. No. Thank you, brother Joe Diote, for gifting another sub too, my bro. Oh man, looks delicious. Yeah, it is. It is, and it's, you know, within my calories too. Just know, when Ramadan's on, we will not be doing this, okay? Out of respect to people that do it, basically. Do you track your calories or do you just track macros? I use a thingy, app, but the majority of the time I just track the calories. So I'll probably... So usually the meal between this one and dinner is just a fruit, like apple or banana. But my kids think they're sneaky when I see the cupboard door open from the living room, and I tell them to get out of the kitchen, but it's too late because these little rat marks all over the frickin' apples. They did it to one packet one day, and I made them sit down and eat that whole packet. I was like, this is what you... Bro, go and screw each other somewhere else. Fucking kids. Oh, go and get the hose. That made those little bastards shut up. Get a lot more results quicker. Yeah. So, I think if I make the team, my goal weight that I want to hit is 125, and I'm pretty close to that. Like 4 kgs off. But if I get there before the next 3 weeks, just carry on in fives, 120, 115, 110. And yeah, I'd like to comfortably sit between 110 and 100 kgs. But if I feel like I can do more, then no lighter than 95. I don't want to be too light, because the lightest I've ever been is 85. And I'll be honest, I didn't like it. Didn't like it at all. Oh, the weather's good. Yes, it's a good day to hang out your washing for sure. So I've been doing it like drips and drabs. I think my next load of washing's almost done. And I'll clean the living room. Who's that? Pray Mantis. Yeah, if anyone's been canoodling with his significant other, go and get a test. Because I know that Prey Mantis showing up is not for me. Because I haven't been getting any canoodling. Because I've been canoodling on Overwatch at night time. Had to show love one day. Oh, bro, you're here. You already are. You already are, my bro. What's okay? Sweet potato, kumara, and lean mince with a little bit of cottage cheese. So this is pretty much how much water do you drink a day? 5-6 liters. I used to have the big bottles because they had the actual number on it, but yeah, I try and do at least 5 to 6. Good thing about drinking water more majority of the time, I'm going off fizzy drinks quite a lot too, which I don't mind as well. Like I have the odd drink here now and again. Okay, last bit, chat. Nice shirt, thanks, brother. It's actually from a GTA server. Yeah. The ones that had this shirt are the Cartel. That was the name of them. Boy, this is mean. Alright guys, sorry I'm taking so long, it's just that good. I might as well just eat it like this, eh? Mmm. Mmm. And it's not too heavy for me as well. I hate being bloated. I hate the feeling. That used to be me all the time too. Look good, bro. Cheers. Yum. Okay. How's it going? Good. Just finished lunch for the day. Turbo, what was that? We had sweet potato, the orange kumara with lean mince, and a little bit of cottage cheese. Yeah, so we had that for lunch today. You dug out a little bit of the kumara and put some mince in. So that was lunch today. Instead of cooking on stream today, I just used the leftovers from last night. Yeah, instead of, you have so much aura. Tell you what, I have too much weight. Need to lose some of that. That's what we need to get rid of, my brother. Know what would be nice right about now? Have you guys tried, I think they're called... Have you guys tried Duck Island ice cream? I found out why it never melts. Because they mix duck fat with their ice creams. I was like, fuck, no wonder they're nice. Alright, YouTube, I'm going to finish up on the YouTube channel for now. So I can play some music. But thank you very much for tuning in today, YouTube. Much love. And I will